Alright, what up? I don't know if anyone does this, but I'm gonna go ahead and just get it right here. See, this is a parts list. Okay, parts list that I ordered from, what is it, Numrich? There's it, Numrich Gun Parts, Numrich Corporation. There you go. So, here it is. Probably took them like what? I don't know. A week? It's not bad. Uzi barrel. Get another one. The fucking trigger and the magazine follower. Oh, that's what I wanted to see right here. And my parts kit. Oh man. Check that out. This is for a Sten gun? Yeah, I think this is a Sten or a brand or something like that. Lips and Doom on. Do set that up for a second. There we go. Check that out. Turn spring. And some of the shit's dirty, but that's what I got. I got this MkIV, I think it was. I only got it because I wanted the fucking ratcheting part, you know what I mean? I didn't get the buttstock that I wanted, you know, but I think I'll just make one with the parts for it. Shit, that's what I wanted. Yeah, it came with this, but I think this is an MkIV. Yeah, one of the two where it just has the pole, but this is cool. I'm gonna clean this shit up. So, what, $411? So let's just say under 400 because, you know, I got a couple extra parts and shit. And I ordered some metal, so I got some stuff ready for fabrication. Well, Numrich guns, go check them out. They're fucking really excellent gun parts surplus store online. Alright, later.